Welcome to my YouTube channel and master. Uh, Today I'm going to explain you how to absolute data in Excel, Microsoft Excel. So it is very easy. So let's check this out on this example actually. Okay, what is the meaning of absolute? Absolute. I will explain by with my example what is the meaning of absolute or maybe fixing. It's like this. We have data, countries we have, and prices for each country we have. So from USA I have just assume this town A, town B, town C, town D. Likewise, few cities we have, and expected quantities we have, and expected sales value we want to get. So quantity we have, and prices to relating to the USA also we have. So what you're going to do, we we have to multiply price and quantity. Now expected sales we can get. Okay, make these values as accounting. Okay, now what we're doing, we just drag and drop. So are we okay now? You feel, are we okay? If you go, if you check the formula, expected quantities multiplied by USA value. But if you go to second cell and check the formula, expected quantity multiplied by not USA price, that's the Indian price. So what happened? Okay, that happened because we didn't absolute the cell reference. So when we dragging the data down like here in expected sales, automatically other relevant cell data also dragging down. That's what happened here. So if you get this value, quantity related to city C got actually Pakistan price. So that happens. So when we get check the other data, other one city D, expected quantity multiplied by Chinese price. So that's what happened. So we need to fix it. When we dragging down, automatically we have to get expected quantity into this value. How we get? It's simple. We have to absolute the cell reference that we want to lock. Easy method is we have to lock, we have to select this B3, we can enter, press F4 one time, then press enter. Now we can drag without any issue figures, all figures sales value are come from USA. See, so this is simple absolute data example. I will explain advanced data fixing from my next videos. So we'll meet in my other video. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and click the bell icon also. So we will meet my other video.